Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use Canva and create any design you need. You'll have to have a Canva account. By the way, I'm using the free version. And once you logged in, you will see this create design button. Click on it and you will see some options. So choose whatever you would like to create to. So let's see what we can create today. Maybe we want to create newsletter. So I'm selecting newsletter and I'm seeing this page. That's our template builder, and we have few options. We can start from scratch or we can use existing templates. So for example, if we are using existing templates, we will find all the available templates under template section right here. And if you don't see the yellow crown icon like this on the bottom, that means these templates are free. So in this case, let's select this template for our newsletter. We are not creating it from scratch, but instead we are using the existing template. I'm gonna zoom out a little and so make it bigger and change some things. So for example, I want to change the title. I click on it and double click again and I'm changing it. So let's name it template 1. Just keep it simple. Now we want to change the font. Click on this drop down and select any font you would like. So right now it's showing us that we are using this one. And for example, we want another one. We can just to select someone from the list. And that's also, I don't like this one. I'm going to look for more. Let's keep it simple like this. Let's make it bigger, bold, and maybe if you want to change the color, we can also do that. So I'm going to keep it red. Also, another thing that you can go to effects and add some effects. I would like to use this one. Yep. And here we can remove it. We don't need this. Same as here. So here I want to change their image. We can also use some existing images or elements they offer under elements, or we can upload our own. So I would like to use my own image. So I go to uploads and see what I have here. So I have some uploaded images already, and I'm just going to select whatever I have and substitute it right here. And I will also need to resize it to make sure it fits this section. Usually it auto fills, honestly, but in this case it wasn't, so I'm just doing it manually. I want to delete this text. I want to make this background different, so I'm clicking on this circle and let's see. Yeah, I like this gradient color, so I want to use this. I'm going to use the same here and play around with fonts a little to see what else we have here. So maybe use this one, make it bigger, change the position and move it somewhere here. Let's say I want to keep this section, but I want to make it a little bigger, so I'm just resizing it manually too. Here I don't want to have this, so I'm removing it and I want to move this pictures right here and substitute it too. So same thing here, click in here on uploads and add more. Let's remove it and add it right here. Resize it manually like this. Actually, I just got an idea that I want to use only one. So it looks like a banner right now to me. So I'm going to keep it as is. And I also want to make it brighter. So I'm going to change some filters here. And maybe this is okay. And here it's fine. We can keep this as is and just move it here. So also in case we want to add their link to our website, we can do it. We can just go to text, add heading, and do it like this. Move it to the bottom, click inside and start typing. So for example, google.com, and I would like to also change the size, change the font and color. Let's make it brighter or something like this. Let's move it more to the bottom and change it more so it's smaller, and like this here. So also you can change the position if you would like to. You can also add some effects here. So same thing they did, looks nice right now. And that's what we got. Also we can add a note to this design. So for example, newsletter design, and now we got a name for it. All good. If you want to duplicate the page, just click on this icon. It will duplicate the page. You can keep everything as is, or if you would like, let's say, just change few things, you can just modify it easily, so you don't have to do it from scratch all over. You can delete it here. You can also add another page. Right here it will be blank, but just with the same background. And if you click on this icon, it can lock the page, but you don't really need that. So here you can also make it bigger, resize it. If you click on this grid view, it will look like this. And let's go back. Here you can also present it in a full screen. Once you're done, you can share it, you can print, and you can save. Just go to File and save it right here. So let's save it. And also here you can make copy, download, and you have a few more options. And if you need to download, just click download and it will be downloading. Here make sure to select the correct page, so in case you want to just download specific pages, you will have to manually do it right here and click on the drop down, unselect this and select the page you need. So in this case it's first one, and click download and it will be downloaded. And once it's downloaded fully, you can view it. So now it was downloaded, and if I click on the download, I can see my template. So it looks good, and as you can see, it was super easy to create it, and you can do the similar job pretty much for any design you would like to do. Just select the correct type and start designing. Thank you for watching. Bye.